In this workshop, we're going to embark on a journey to understand how an interdisciplinary team can work cohesively, leveraging the diverse skills and perspectives each of you brings to the group. Collaboration is the key to tackling complex challenges. By bringing together different expertise and experiences, we can generate innovative and effective solutions. But to make this happen, we need to understand and apply some essential principles. First, empathy and psychological safety are crucial for creating an environment where everyone feels free to share ideas without fear of judgment. This promotes open communication and drives innovation within the team. Second, divergent and convergent thinking are essential. Divergent thinking allows us to explore a wide range of ideas, while convergent thinking helps us focus on selecting the most practical solutions. This balance is key for creativity and effective problem solving. Finally, adaptability and flexibility are vital in managing the dynamic nature of team projects. As roles and needs evolve, staying open to adjustments helps ensure that the team remains aligned with the project's goals and can overcome challenges as they arise. These concepts are at the heart of effective teamwork. In this workshop, we'll explore key collaboration concepts essential for effective interdisciplinary teamwork. In Part B, teams will use a template to work through 4 relevant sections, which help define the core elements of collaboration. First, roles and responsibilities, where each of you will identify how you can contribute based on your skills and experiences. This ensures we collaborate effectively as a team. Second, coordination strategy, where we will define how to communicate and coordinate tasks with each other, creating strategies that strengthen team cohesion. Third, complementarity, where we reflect on how team roles complement one another. Consider how current roles can expand and adapt as the project evolves, and also identify external partners who could add value to the project. Finally, stakeholders. Here you will identify the internal and external stakeholders who can add value to the project and define what specific role they can play in ensuring its success. Remember, the goal is to capture the essence of the project rather than getting lost in the details. Focus on communicating the core ideas clearly, ensuring all team members are aligned with the overall vision. If you need additional guidance or support, feel free to reach out to me via chat. You can copy and paste questions from each section, and I'll be here to assist you. Next, in Part C, we'll build your work package cube. Each team will fill in the sections of the cube for your assigned work package. Once completed, you'll assemble the cube and place it with the cubes from the other teams. This visual representation shows how your work package fits into the larger project. Finally, in Part D, we'll focus on writing the specific section assigned to this workshop. Don't forget to complete Annex B, which is linked to the work packages, as this is an important part of the documentation process. By working together, we create something greater than ourselves. Every step you take builds a brighter future. Let's make this moment count.